Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview A90 and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, simply pull down your notifications, expand them, and in here you'll find Do Not Disturb mode toggle. And for me it's right over here. This is the default orientation of the toggle, so hopefully you can find it in the same exact place. But once you locate the toggle, you can either tap on it, and this will enable it with whatever the default settings of it are, or the first time around you can hold it and this will take you to the settings, or you can customize how it actually functions. So go to the settings, change what kind of who can message, call you, what kind of apps will be able to bypass this mode, alarms and other interruptions, along with setting up a schedule. So you can set up a schedule right here. Now if you're planning to use that, do make sure that the schedule is toggled on right here by just tapping on a checkbox. So that is how you turn that on. Now for everybody else that is planning to use the Do Not Disturb mode manually at just occasional moments, all you would need to do to turn it on is find the toggle, tap on it, and there you go, it is now enabled. And when enabling it, sorry for that, manually, you would need to also turn it off after you're done with it. Otherwise, it will be running permanently in the background. So again, tap on a toggle and this will turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.